everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have another friend mail from Misty, my girl. I talk to her every day via text, back and forth, all day long, and y'all know that she recently did a declutter and showed a bunch of stuff that she was going to be purging from her collection, and she decided to send me two of them because I did express an interest in them because they were so pretty. But prior to that, she had done a different declutter and some depotting and some other stuff. And if you are on her Instagram, you will know all about her depotting stuff. Well, she had already had some stuff set aside that she was going to send me, and then with the two palettes from her most recent declutter, I got a pile of stuff here on my desk from her again. My inventory is not happy. I'm happy because it's all very pretty stuff, but my inventory is not so happy, and I haven't filmed it yet, so this is going to all be added into the inventory that hopefully is coming up in March. I am not sure when this is going to go live. I am filming it so I can get it off my desk and insert it into my inventory spreadsheet. I am filming this on like the last week of February, so bear with me here. All right, let's get into this. The ones that you would have seen in her most recent declutter video is this I Heart Revolution Tasty Avocado palette. It's a little messy because one of the shadows busted up in transit, and ironically that shadow is called Smash, which is this one right here. But look how pretty this palette is. I will have to clean it up. I did try to press what little bit was left in there, but yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. I love my greens, and this is definitely right up my alley, so I'm very happy about that, but I'm very messy too. The next one is the Revolution Reloaded Provocative. And when she was showing these in her declutter, I'm like, oh, those are so pretty. This is definitely a me color palette. This to me is a neutral palette, even with all like the berry tones and stuff in it. This to me is like, I could wear this every single day of my life and be very happy about it. So I'm excited to try those. I have never tried any eyeshadow from Revolution, so I will get to try two different palettes from them. All right, there is some more declutters. This was not in her most recent declutter video. This was just stuff that she did on the side that we chatted about in, you know, text and everything. So this one, this is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Joy Sugared Snickerdoodle Moisturizing Body Wash. She did not like the smell of it, and she sent it to me to see if I would like it, and I kind of want to eat it. This smells so good to me. It literally smells like a Snickerdoodle cookie, and I'm here for it. I really am here for it. I am going to enjoy that immensely. Thank you, Misty. Thank you for everything here. All right, let me show you everything else. This is the Baked Powder Blush from Milani in Luminoso? Luminoso. I can't words. I can't get it open. This is super pretty. Misty is not really into like the peachy blushes, and I'm like, sure, I will try it. I've never tried their blush formula, so I would be happy to try it. I am definitely a peach blush kind of girl, and yeah, so I'm going to be trying this one. And who knows, I might end up like a crazy person starting her new project that's coming up in April on 4/20 to be exact. Get baked, and I might have to throw that in for that project. I'm going to keep that one minimal if I decide to join in. I have not fully committed to that one yet, but it might happen. It might happen. Next is the Essence My Rose Will Go On. This is brand spanking new. She ordered it. Still got the plastic on it and everything. Still sealed on both sides. Hopefully I can get some of that glare off. She ordered it and showed me the picture of it on the web page when she ordered it, and put the picture of this palette next to it. They're not the same colors. This is definitely more warm toned. The one on the picture was definitely more cool toned, and she is not like a warm tone kind of girl, so she passed it on to me. I will be happy to use it. I have like 4 other of these little mini Essence palettes, so it will be in good company. And the next two are like ridiculously big They're both Glam Light. This is the pizza, the veggie lovers, and then this big guy. Look at the size of this next to my head. It is twice the size of my head. That is crazy how big this is. They're both beautiful. A lot of warm tones. This one's got a lot of greens in it, which I do love my greens. I'm going to have fun with that. And then this is, I think it's their original pizza palette. Look at that. That is so stinking pretty. There is not a bad color in here at all because there's no blues and there's no grays, there's no silvers, and my camera needs to readjust its color. I'm really excited about both of these. All of them, to be exact. There's not a bad color in the bunch, and I'm very, very excited to play. Very excited to play. And I picked up the avocado palette again, and I'm a mess. I really need to wipe that down. Thank you so much, Misty. I really appreciate everything, and hopefully you've gotten your package already because I haven't checked the tracking. I hope you have. We like to exchange stuff, and you know, I have said all along, I am not a declutter person unless I have something that one of my friends or family would really enjoy using, and I'm happy to pass things on. So as I'm going through my inventory, I have a feeling I'm going to be making another pile for Misty. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Thank you again so much, Misty. I hope you guys all enjoyed seeing what came in. This way I don't have to show it on my empties video where I have my 3 out 1 in low buy kind of update for you. It's already been shown, so I don't have to worry about it again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.